Hey guys, in this video we'll be learning how to draw a cabinet using free cabinet design. So here is an example of the cabinet which I'm going to show you using the free cabinet design function. Let's get started. So click right into your system cabinet function, and over here you may see free cabinet. Right, first thing you do is to drag the carcass out. Alright, once you're done dragging, you can start to resize. So I'm going to resize my width to 2004. Alright, once you're done, click onto the carcass and enter the free cabinet design. Right, so over here as you can see, we have different types of all these panels, back baffles, skirtings. You may also generate your door and drawers and also add your function parts over here. All right, over here you can also see the different types of panels to select. All right, so first thing we want to do is to generate the skirting first. All right, so to generate the skirting, to put in panels, you are required to select the space every time. So click onto the space. Over here you can see skirting. You may just add the skirting. Next, I would like to add a plate on top of my skirting. So we can always choose the bottom plate. Right? And this one to the floor, you can just click onto the space and click add. Alright, so now I have my skirtings. So over here, I would like to build a swing door, which means that I would need to add in the panels. Alright, same thing, click onto the space. So now I would like to add in neutral plate. So it's either you click over here to add, or you can immediately just click this. Alright, once you have your neutral plate, adjust the size with the numbers. Right, 600 would be the size. Alright, next thing we want to do is to create a swing door. Alright, select the space, click onto the space, and we may add the door over here. Okay, so we have different types of door panels. Okay, so over here I'm going to choose a left open door, and don't forget to change the left and right cover to half overlay, or else your door panel will eventually overlap one another. Alright, once it's done, click on install, and there you go. Moving on, I would like to put in a panel here. Click onto the space and we may immediately add the panel by selecting shelves. Okay, so we can just add and always adjust using the numbers. Alright, once I'm done, same thing over here. I would like to put in a few panels first and then generate my swing door. Click onto the space and then right click, and now we select partition. Alright, so over here in the parameter settings, you are able to select the position of the panels that you would like to create. So I'm going to select a left-right divide, which is a neutral plate. Next thing you want to do is to input the quantity that you want. And over here, as you can see, the panels evenly divided itself for you. Alright, so now we can proceed to create our door panel. Alright, so click onto the space, add door. Alright, select the door. Don't forget, change the right left cover, install. Okay, repeat for this, install, and one last one, select the right door. Moving on, at the bottom, for this space, I would like to add in a panel as well. So quickly just add in the shelves. Next thing I want to do is to reposition. Okay, so 780. Now we can click onto the panel and edit the panel. So over here you may edit your panel. So I want to cut my panel into half. Alright, so we can always adjust just like that. Alright, next thing I want to do is to build another panel over here. So click onto space and put in a neutral plate. Alright, use this to adjust. Alright, so once I have a space over here, I can generate my swing door as well. Okay, so click onto the space and I'm going to select the double door for this. Just like that. Alright, so let's add in one last panel over here. So put in a shelves and just change the dimensions. Alright, so one last thing we need to do is to put in some lightings. And one last thing we would like to do is to put in the lightings. Alright, so to put in the lightings, you may click on the panel and select the panel. Alright, so I would like to place a light strip on top on this panel. So just right click and select the light and install. So now choose the lights. Alright, so over here you may see the generated light settings. Alright, so you can always change the directions, positions, the brightness, and also the color. Once it's done, you may click on generate. And as you can see, I have a light strip generated. We have completed the entire cabinet. So now we can just change the materials. So if let's say you would like to save this cabinet design to use it for the next time, you may click on space, select the entire cabinet, and click on save as template. Right? So you can rename your cabinet and then click save as. Right? And then choose. Right, so in future, if you would like to use back the same cabinet, it will be over here at mine. Alright, and there you have it. So this is how to draw cabinet using free cabinet design. Good luck trying, guys.